That's why I like doing it one by one. So it's
What's all the way at the end? That one. Two at the end.
You got it?
Oo.
Wala na?
No. 4, 8, 12, 16.
2 sticks.
Ano ba?
12, 0.
Six.
Wait lang.
Ito na?
I think so, buddy.
Oh, really?
One.
I draw my cards already.
Mhm.
Ano na?
I have to count my pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, too much. Wait, who has a sukli?
Mm.
I was ready to draw my cards.
Oh, I never said those. I just said wait. You shouldn't do. Ten balls.
One ball. Two balls.
2 balls.
Oh my god. One ball.
Tatlo.
Tatlong one, tatlong two. I was waiting. When is that gonna appear? I have the 3. Trying to figure that out. Let's see.
So skip it.
One card.
Oh my god.
Just remember.
Wait lang, boss.
Oh, that's your next.
I had all the freaking sticks, guys.
And then this.
So thank God for the 2.
Tinan mo yung marami.
Ito na. Ganyan yung para ko kanina. When he took that, remember I had 5?
I just need to one more throw, and then I'm full.
That's why I threw the 1. Because I wanted to puro here.
8.
Palad cards, yeah.
Mhm.
And pwede dito. Pwedeng 7 card, pwedeng 4. Ang pinong ko. Pwedeng 8, pwedeng 7.
5 din at 5 din ako to.
Yeah. Wala. Pinalagtad ko. Ito po the 1 card.
No, panapit na.
Eh, kung makikita. Look.
No, the next one was 2 balls. It was a
Yeah,
third
so
ball.
sorry. So that's why I said, what's the 1 card? Ano pa lang card?
I needed 2 or 3 to one.
Ay, 6.
No, 1.
Sabi doon, sabi.
No. Here.
Okay guys, let's try tayo. Mas gusto.
Yeah.
Baka hindi ko ma-pick up the channel phone.
Ako nga pala, may dirap pa nga pala.
Pick up ang may channel. Alam mo naman ako talaga dito. Ganun ulit.
Hangin. Nakapupus.
Hindi, may flowers pa tayo, hindi ka pa nakakuha.
Dalawa?
Ay, putang ina, dalawa ng flowers.
You got it, buddy.
Oh, wow. He only has two. He has to get the freaking F.
Hmm.
My turn. Ano ba yun? Kaya ba?
Ito siya dito.
Ano mo naman?
No heart.
I didn't watch it. Wow, I know I did. Oh my god. It was going well, and then I bonus 3.
Take it together.
No, my card was really nice. And then I had to bonus 3 more flowers, and all 3 of them were panapon.
No more.
Naman?
Carlton, no.
Almost.
Don't worry, guys. I'll save the day with Joker.
Yes, yeah, do that.
This needs like $5.
Yeah.
No, I want that.
I tried this.
Ito Julius.
Oh, finally, I got Joker. The last one was the 5 balls.
Did I save you a little, buddy?
Yeah.
8
Four
balls.
more.
Then she kind of back again.
I don't smell it this time.
Fuck.
Earlier I did, it was strong.
Tig ni Julius.
Ah.
You have to pay for that.
Did I go over for you, buddy?
Dati nagtatapon hindi nagbabayad. Whoever threw it shouldn't pay. Because he messes up the number. So he will get 50 cents. You know, instead of 75 cents.
8 sticks.
Make it $1, not 50. $1.50. Messes up the count.
But I needed to do all of that because this is all chow.
This is all trash.
I was gonna wait for 9.
What? Oh, not.
And then you said 9 sticks Joker. So I said forget it.
Forget about it.
The stupid, that's one of the stupid
No.
joke, I mean flowers I guess that's panapon.
Hmm. 8 balls.
Oh, this time I have to. I said
Yeah.
that first.
Sure, Tito Julius said just go ahead and not make him bono.
Yeah.
I mean he has 10 trash. Now it's 11. Ay nako. Angkar.
Hmm. 4 card.
Pong? You sure?
Go ahead. You want me to?
Go ahead. That's what you get. Now I can do secret.
I'll give you your money back.
He couldn't even do secret look, because you kept
Oh,
asking
yeah.
him with Pong.
Maybe I want a phone.
Yeah, you should. There's a lot of things to go in this shit, man. Rainbows.
That's one.
That's the beginning.
Do more.
Not this. Where was this? Oh, you.
Me, Kang. Oh my god, where did this come from? Yung 2 card.
I have all this and not one pair. That's why I have to do this and this. That's
Why?
why I didn't want to do this because this is my only pair.
Are you saying you still Pong?
It was the last one.
7 card.
Now I'm struggling. Hoping for one pair.
It made it to you do.
Now no pair indefinitely. One card.
Pong,
Do
pong,
that.
pong.
Throw that already.
Eight car.
Oh my gosh. Where did this come from?
Six card.
One joker, I'll be happy. One joker, I'll be happy.
9 balls.
That
That
low.
low.
balls.
Kung. Sabi ko.
7 pairs. What is this?
Muro pa yung baraha ko.
Ano may ginagit? Hindi ako ang ganda. Tatlo buo. Hindi makausap talaga.
This. Oh, you don't know.
Nakailangan nyo na. Pataw.
Hindi ko maano. Kahit anong gawin. Pag nabunot ko pa ano. Sa akin na yan 3. Nakabunot ako 2. Limited ko. At
Well, I was
tinapon ko yung...
Chow that
Six.
I would have chosen 9. I mean, I would have 4, 7.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Wala na pala ako po.
7 was dead though, little. So it was early on the floor.
And I have the 4.
Oh, 6, 4.
I have the 4 too.
Oh, the 4.
I have the 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Got it.
They have.
Sa dami namin panapon mo, namuro. Ako 3 buo, hindi namuro. 2, 4, 6. One more, 4, 8, 4, 50.
You said 1.
One more,
7. No more did you?
4, 8, 12, 16, one more.
Hold on, no. 1, 2, 3.
3 only.
No, no, 1 more. 2, 3. Yes. So we will go with 2 sticks.
Two sticks, birdie. Pretty bird.
Ribo.
Ang gabi.
One ball.
Two balls.
Umabot.
One six. Ano layo o 1 point?
What? Oh my god.
That good now? Oh wait, no, you
No, I tried it. I would have bonus it anyways.
Ano na yun? May 5 ka.
set up, huh?
Makaalo.
It's always my fault.
It is for real. I hate doing this to my cards. For real, for real.
Release, release.
1, 6. I really do.
Debit.
Just tandaan mo na bonus mo. Kung ipag-aano. Kung isusumpa
One
ko ang
ka.
ginawa ko. Pong,
Me too.
ayoko. Alam mo kung bakit? Pinors puro ko dito. O, buto eh. 6, 7, 7, 8 eh.
6 na.
Ay, hindi. Buti na lang.
Yung nakakuha ko ng 9, kailangan po makuha kayo ano.
Pinors puro ko yun. Hate na hate ko ginagawa yun. You know, I already have buo. 6, 7, 8.
So 7 lang. Okay.
Yung baby ko.
7 lang. Hindi, todo.
Ah, Bibilang naman ako.
7, 10. Again.
I hate it. I hate forcing my pool like that.
Wait.
Kaya na.
Ha?
Kayo.
Dadice ako?
Hindi, 12 lang. Kayo po kung pili.
No, I have 3.
Okay.
I knew it. 14, 13, 14.
Call natin. 16. How many you have?
5.
Buwang.
How many came back? 1?
Isa lang. Wala.
Isa?
Infinity.
Ikaw.
Wala.
Wala.
No more.
Wait. 4, 8, 12, 16, 17.
Wala na.
Ano? You.
You did it, right?
Ayoko gumala.
10. Sticks, please. Sticks. No, not that one. Basura. Also basura. Same.
Tang ina kung ito, isa dito na bago, kung kabisaklat.
Hmm?
Teka, pipilit ko to.
We're gonna make it work.
Ayan. Nag-judge me. Damn! Putang ina. Sorry guys. Pinipilit ko talaga. Pero wala. Papakita ko sa inyo ah.
Doctor score. 15.
Meron ka.
No, I'm gonna show you. That's why I kept staring. Tingnan nyo ha. Tama ba nga ako? Wait lang ako. Pero ito todos ko 7. Ayan. Ayan.
Is that high?
Yan na. Yan. Pero tama,
Mhm.
di ba? Kasi 3 sticks, di ba? O, eh, yung bra ako from the start eh. Pinipilit ko talaga. Wala, di ba? Hindi ako naduduling, di ba guys? O, buo to. Pares. Kaya lang, dalawang dalawang family planning. Di ba? Hindi talaga, di ba? Right? It's really not bisaklat.
Yeah.
Kasi
Wait, hold on.
this is my cards from the start. 3 sticks is the joker.
Yeah, so you have
This, but then I have this, right? So really no.
No.
Right? I really need to throw one. That's why I kept
Mhm.
staring. Because I was making it bisaklat.
Kung isa sa mga pares yung
Ito
naging
nga
joker.
kung ito naging 1. Bisaklat.
Okay, ang tukar naging joker.
Wait, but aren't you still missing? Because you have 5, 6, 7.
No, because I threw this.
Oh, you threw that.
Yeah, and then this.
Okay.
That's why it's before the fifth. But I was saying, I was making it bisaklat from the start where I didn't need to throw anything. If this became 1 car,
Yeah,
or I
then
had
you would
7
throw
car, then it's bisaklat in 3 sticks.
Ito
Bisaklat.
Hindi pa rin. Tama dito sa Aaron. Kung naging ano, bago.
Kasi
Ay.
3, 4, 5, 6 eh. Tapos 3, 6, 3, 4,
6, 7, 8, 9 yung 6 niya.
6, 7.
Tapos, ang ano,
Tapos pa rin po,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
3, 4, 5. Hindi. 4, 6. Tama.
Kailangan yung isang cup ko.
Kung naging ano,
That's why it's super to throw.
mm. Or kung may 7.
Nasa
Yeah, dalawang 7. Kung nagkaroon ng either na bagay isa o dalawang pare.
That was my moment to save the sakit. Four, 8, 12, 5. Oh,
Dati sa Julius, pura na sa Julius.
17.
ako ba? 4,
Yeah.
8, yeah, 12, 16, wala talaga. May puro was 1 car, 4 car, 7 car, 6, 6, 9, 6.
Nagbubuo na. Tama ka.
So,
2 card.
no, kaya ko na-release ang 2 car.
Wala pa ako.
10, 3, 6, 9, 10. The 12?
No.
I already know what it is. Pero malayo. Luna. Okay, ma-shock.
Ay,
9 sticks.
Nickel.
Three car.
five.
It's so easy to after playing for how many hours, I could tell already what it is. Except when it scores.
Mali. Ako.
Scalera.
Oh shit, kakapuro pa lang naman.
No, dalawa joker ko.
Dapat
Dito ako
kamali
scalera.
ako din ako pupuro sa. Hindi, natatapo
Dito.
ko din. Yung tinapo kanina pa. Puro
Kanina
na
pa?
kayo.
Take it.
Ay, hindi ko na kailangan.
Pagtapon ko ng 9 balls. I mean, nung 3 car. Namiri lang ako.
Hindi ba ma? Hindi ba ma?
Two, four,
Hindi ko nga matapon 2 balls. Bakit ko yun? This is Milo.
Lose that 20 that I opened.
Where?
Where? Return it.
Comic book.
18.